Next year, guys.
자, yes, North Dakota. Aloha guys, welcome back to another episode of Fish and Dive Hawaii. I'm out here with Dakota, Chase, and where's Rage at? Right there. So we're catching Halalu. It's Halalu season here at Waimea Bay. Catching a few, so I'm gonna throw it out, see what we can catch. So far, Dakota caught a lai, a pretty big one. Let's try to see if we can hook up to a papio or a kava kava. You got? Yeah. Oh, he's far out. Is it heavy? Oh, that's that stuff floating. Forward.
Oh, no, this is definitely turtle. But he would have came out already.
Maybe it's a
no, you know why
Batman.
it's deep. That's
Maybe
why.
it's a Batman.
Could be that too.
Oh, stingray, yeah. Yeah, I caught one over here.
Put them right between your pilotas. Right there. Right on your pilotas, bro. Hit that range. Come on, bro. Oh, you get him. He's the sad.
Zach is crossing your line.
No, he's under.
Or is it
No, it's over. It's bouncing.
See your line getting.
It's good. Shall walk to the right. Going viral tonight, doggy. Hi, dude.
Sorry, any day now. Come on, buddy.
Come on, I tell you, you can't 100-pounders.
Real.
Oh, he's far, bro. You just got where to where he started.
There you go.
Don't be trying.
Thing's probably gonna take me for a swim. His shark took him for a swim almost. That is only like 5 feet. 6 feet.
Nah, he's closer now.
Closer.
He was far first. Let's see a gun.
Yeah, whatever.
Couple rips.
Sit out. Ready.
He's killing some calories.
Oh, this thing is heavy.
Watch out, no flying ocean.
Boost.
Like me telling.
Oh!
Like me telling lying to you.
Harness.
Harness. Yeah, you're moving on.
No, the thing is like staying there. It's not moving.
It's probably in the sand, yeah. You know they're digging in the sand. Stingray part 2 right here. Oh, it went out a little bit more.
It went out a little bit. It's right there. See it? See the bubbles?
Oh, it's in front of all these people.
Oh, it's a shark. Yeah, I go boost them all the way in right there.
One eternity later.
Did you get it? No. Sorry. I think so.
How's that scrap?
How's that knockout at the end? Mike Tyson. You saw him, Mike Tyson. Get up.
There it is. I don't know, can you guys see? Nope. Coming straight in. Oh, it's jumping. It's yeah. That's all, boys. I like them. Check out the pliers.
Yeah, that's cake. Go. Go.
You guys want it?
No, they don't. Grab it right here.
I'll take your coffee.
You got it? Yeah, that's good. Is that a fish?
Yeah,
It is that.
It might be.
Nah,
Nah, this one might be a sheepy.
99 pounds, huh?
try not to break it, but I'm not lying. Yeah, I told you one more little boy.
Reggie's paddle.
The one. Dude, I could have been yours. If he runs, let him run.
And then try
No. The big rod.
Oh, alright.
Monster one. There's your ahi. Oh, like, look at the hooks there. How's the hooks there? No, it's perfect. No way it was coming out.
Do we have more bait? I'll do one more time.
For real?
Yeah.
This is a big one.
I want it.
No, I'm gonna cut it
I'm
off.
all live.
Let's make poke.
I'm live.
No, I want to. Yeah, me and Reggie are going to make poke today.
Live beat.
No, let's put poke. No. Hey. No. Dad.
You got
Alba, albas, and a big old eel.